Hello? Hey! Hello, is this thing working? Hello? Hey! Hey! Hello! Hello! Hey! Monkey Tang here and you can't get rid of me! Here we go! Yeah! Alright everybody, Monkey Tang back one more time tonight before I get off work. We are going to react to a video called Funny Animals and Funny Animals Video Compilation 2016. I have one more video uploading right now to YouTube, so make sure to watch that. Hit that like button and subscribe to me. Help me out, guys, which will entail to help us all out, because in the near future I want to do a lot of cool things. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to this funny animal video. Hopefully it's funny. Let's laugh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Why does it gotta be like weird right off the bat? It's not really funny. That's just an animal eating. Wow. Oh my gosh! Wow! Catch me if you can! I don't think you can! Come on! Come on, long neck!
Run, Ostrich,
come on!
Run.
That's hilarious. Animals playing together.
Oh my.
Gotta cool off somehow. Everyone likes to play in the snow, even animals. Of course. Dog in the wind. Fat dog. Well, by the cheeks. Wow. Taxi, anybody? Look at that turtle go to his destination nobody knows. A monkey and a cat, it looks like. Grooming. Hello. Gotta have help somehow, right? Do 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 do. I'm going to show my sister this video. My sister has a turtle. That's funny.
Make it go down.
Okay. I have a rodent as a pet. I have a rat. Her name is Blessing. Hence, have a blessed day. I'm going to show my rat and my new puppy. I haven't done that yet. Y'all guys will get to see them hopefully tomorrow, because I'm off tomorrow. Oh, yes. Right there. Oh, you scratched my belly. Oh, now I will kiss your hand. Nope. Do it again. Oh, that's hilarious. I want to pet a koala. Raccoons. I want to pet a raccoon too, but the ones over here, they are mean. Oh, don't do it. You're gonna fall. A fence climbing bear. That is a strong fence. Wow, that is awesome. Bye, bear. Slide. It's one way to get down the stairs. Wow, that is funny. I like watching animal videos because if you're having a bad day, you watch something funny with an animal, gosh, it'll make your day better. But yeah, if you like this video, smash and kill the like button. Let me know because, you know, it'll show up a little error. Like, broken. Like button broken. I'm just kidding. But anyway, so tell me what you think. Please like and share and comment like crazy, if you will. Yeah, just let me know. You like me doing reaction videos? That's cool. If you want to see me react to something, one of your favorite YouTubers, let me know, and I will do it. Because I read the comments. I will try my hardest to respond to everybody that comments to me, but sometimes I'm not able to get to it. But so far, I've been responding to a lot of everybody. Take two. I've been responding to a lot of you who have been commenting to me. And everyone knows who they are because we've held little conversations back and forth with each other. But yeah, let me know, guys. With that being said, please, 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 please remember to have a blessed day. And have a fun time doing it. Alright, guys. Until next time.